Okay, so I'm just weeding all the extra vinyl off here. I already pulled it off. Now I'm just going back and pulling off all the inside pieces. One reason I love working with the iron-on vinyl is that it weeds really easily. Okay, so there's one of the front sides. Okay, so there's one of those. So I'm just gonna weed all of the rest of them, and then I will show you how to press them onto the koozies. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my large easy press so I can press a few of them at one time. And this is polyester, so I have this printed out, but you can also find it online. So I'm gonna start with the glitter iron-on, and it says for polyester to do 330 for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna turn this on, press the temperature button, go down to 330, press it again, press the time button, and take this down to 30 seconds. And press that again. Okay, so I'm gonna let that heat up. So, I'm gonna try to do 4 at a time. Okay, so here are my glitter for the top. So I really wanted glitter for the girls for these, but these are not easy to weed. So, I mean, they're not horrible, but you have to have patience to do it, because especially this part with the skinny line, it kept wanting to come up, so I had to actually cut more of these out. So I cut 2 more of the ship face out to add it on here. So, okay, so my easy press is heated up, so I'm actually gonna press these first for just a few seconds, just to get the moisture out. Okay, so place this over it, press the go, and let it go for 30 seconds. Okay, I'm peeling them off. And since I'm going to press something on the back, I'm not turning them over yet to do it. Look at that glitter. Love it. No, it's not easy to weed, but it is worth it in the end. Okay, so now I'm going to turn them over and put the names on them. So I'm just going to get these warm again. And I'm gonna do this side for 30 seconds. Okay, so since I want to do the back side one more time, I'm going to actually flip them over. I'm going to put a Teflon sheet over them. And I'm going to do this side for 15 seconds. So look at those. Love that glitter.